Once we know how to search for the probabilities on the table, now in this exercise we will calculate the probability that the normal one is higher than the z-score 1.45. So we should be directly going to the tables, because as we know, the probabilities on the table are the probabilities on the right of a positive number. So we would need to find the value 1.45, which would be where these two values meet. So that would be 0.0735 as the result. So you search directly on this, so that would be 0.0735 for this exercise. Now we are asked in this B part of this exercise, we are asked to calculate the probability in a normal one between two numbers, which are 1.94 and 0.68. So how are we going to do this? Okay, first of all, I would recommend you to draw the picture. So the normal, you see it's a shape of a bell, so it's not like this, or it's not like this. These are not good examples of what a normal is. So more or less, that being the shape, we need to place the two values that we are asked to calculate the probability between. So as we know, the 0 is here, and we know the normal is symmetric. We have the probability, or we have the value 1.94. Let's say it's over there more or less. And then we have another positive number which is closer to 0, which is 0.68. And we are asked to calculate the probability within these two numbers for a normal O1. So as the tables provide us the probabilities on the right of these values, I would need to calculate first of all the probability that the normal is on the right of the value 68, and then I would need to subtract the probability on the right of 1.94. So I recommend you to use always the graph, because otherwise you can be mistaken if you do it with your head. So that would be the blue area, the area I'm asked to calculate the probability, and for that I would need to subtract all the probability on the right of 68 minus the probability on the right of 1.95, which would be that red area. So if we go to the tables and search for the probability, we would need to go to 0.68. So that would be, if I'm not mistaken, that would be 0.24 and 83. So 0.2483 minus a probability on the right of 1.94, that would be 1.94, that would be the probability, 0.0262. So let's write this down, 0.026, and that would be equal to 0.2221. So that would be the result for this exercise.